Hi, we're going to be making curried beans today. It's a dish that I've actually grown up with from a very young age. My mum used to make it on a Friday night as a quick meal for us to eat that was nutritious and affordable and also healthy. And then she could put her feet up and not have to spend too much time in the kitchen. It's a dish that's full of nutrients, fibre, protein, always readily available. It's not going to go off, it's in your cupboard, so always have one. I'm sure everyone has in the cupboard a tin of beans, and you can make a lovely meal out of it, whether it's breakfast, lunch, as a snack, or even as part of an evening meal, and it can be enjoyed by all the family. With the curried beans, we start off with just a very small amount of oil, to which we add a small chopped onion. We'll quickly brown that off on a medium heat until the onions gain a little bit of colour. It's not something that you've really got to be too fussy about. This will happen very, very quickly on a medium heat. To that we'll be adding some turmeric to give it colour. It's good for you. It's a spice that helps healing and it's an anti-inflammatory. We'll also be adding garam masala. I make my own garam masala, but you can buy this from the shops, and it's something that will not go off. The spices that you add can be kept for months and months and months. A little bit of salt to be added, which is about 1/3 or even 1/4 of a teaspoon. In fact, you don't even have to add salt. There's salt in the tinned beans themselves. Give it a good old stir, and then we will be adding the beans to this. Just as a regular can of beans, add it to the pan. Make sure you get every bit out. Give it a stir and leave it to heat through till it's bubbling. To that we'll add coriander leaves, whether it's fresh or dried, whatever you've got available, add that. It just adds another colour to it and also some more flavour. You can serve this with some buttered bread and yeah, enjoy. It's a lovely dish. You will enjoy it, and you'll be making it time and time again.